Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 10 of 4th grade geometry. On the previous lessons, you learned how to use a protractor to figure out the missing angle. Today you will learn and practice how to use your math skills to solve for the missing angle. First, let's go over the two vocabulary words for today's lesson. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. 52 degrees and 38 degrees are complementary angles because if we add them, we get a right angle, 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. 128 degrees and 52 degrees are supplementary because when you add them, you get a straight angle or 180 degrees. You have two examples here for complementary and supplementary angles. You know the whole, you know one of the parts. If you remember a strategy from previous years, part, whole, you can use it to solve for the missing angle. You have two models here that you can use. Number bond and tape diagram. Choose either of these models that you prefer to work with or both of them. It's up to you. The whole in complementary angles is 90 degrees. One of the parts in this example is 65. To get the other part, you take away 65 from 90 to get to 25 degrees. On example 2, you're working with supplementary angles again. So 180 degrees is your whole. So instead of 90 up here, you're going to have 180 degrees. One of the parts is 45 degrees. And the other part, you take away 45 degrees from 180 degrees. The missing angle is going to be 135 degrees. If you remember, you worked with this link before. Hopefully you did. You had it for at least 2 of the slides before this. I hope this looks familiar to you. We work with different types of angles here. You could hide the measurement here. You could use your protractor and measure the angle, then compare with the measurement here to see if you were correct or not. You could also use this for obtuse, acute, and right angle and then check for your work. What I want you to work for this lesson is go here, choose complementary angles. You can just play around with it. You can just change this line and the measurement of your angles change. The way to practice for your complementary angles, you can hide either of these two angles and solve for it. You know your whole is 90 degrees and one of them is 37 degrees, or change it any angle that you want and keep working with it. You can either reveal the answer here, or to practice even further, you can use your protractor and solve for the missing angle. When you're done, you can go to supplementary angles. You have two angles that add up to 180 degrees. You can again change the measurement of each. You can hide one of them. See what happens if I put it right on the right angle. 290 degrees, right? That's the easiest supplementary angles that you can make. Just play with it, hide one of them, solve for the other one, and enjoy. I think this is a great website for you to practice and then have some fun with it. Good luck. Keep up the amazing work. Your 4th grade teachers are very proud of you. If you have any question, reach out to your teachers. Happy learning. Bye-bye.